man talk say knowledge is power. Yes, so if you sabi something, you fit get better things where you know say you supposed to do on top the matter, and nobody fit take you for a ride. Welcome to Health Corner on top your Good Morning Naija show with me, Dr. Adora. And the matter where they ground since Monday concern bed wetting. That na picking them where they wet their bed, they piss for bed, and they not stop when others suppose they stop the matter. We don't tell you waiting it be. We don't tell you some of the factors where they contribute to this thing. We don't even tell you say 2 types day. And I've been the sun to yesterday before I come out about the secondary bed wetting. That na the type where they happen after picking don't they dry for like 6 months. It can't start again. On top this matter, we they talk about some of the things where they cause them, and one of them now structural or anatomical abnormality. Waiting be this big English where I just speak. Now when the urinary tract, you know, the normal way it's supposed day, it not day like that. Something don't spoil for inside. And that won't happen for inside any of the organs, the muscles, or the nerves where they conduct this urination. And this one will go cause incontinence. That na say person not feel control himself, or other urinary problems where feel show up on top this bedwetting matter. Another one now, neurological problems. This now any problem where they affect the brain, the nervous system them. Any abnormality where they inside this nervous system, or any injury or any disease where they the nervous system, if it go scatter and balance the delicate nature where it gets, and because of that, it no go fit control urination. On top that one, it still gets emotional problems. You know, say, I trust some of you go say, how emotion won't make person the piss for bed. My brother, my sister. Now, so if you they live for one kind stressful home, as in for house where maybe your parents, they quarrel where this one will cause children to the bed wet. All this one now psychological things. Now those ones, those kind of people, all the psychologists them fit explain to you as the thing they be. But some kind major changes also, like when person wants start school, nervousness, fit they make the pikin to the piss anyhow. Then if now new baby, maybe the mama won't born new pikin, it just feel say attention not come up for inside if they start, or he say they move from their old house to a new house. Any stress like that shall fit just cause pikin them to the bed wet. Then children where they abuse both physically and sexually. This one too, if they cause make them the bed wet, because it affects their entire psychology, and this one will come affect their nervous system. On top that one, they will come the piss for bed. On top that one again, you get the one where they call sleep patterns. That now obstructive sleep apnea. This one, waiting they happen for this one, I say small pikin go just they snore very loudly because of some kind of correct bege wey don't happen inside the respiratory tract. On top this one, even while they sleep, you go notice say that they choke. All this one they fit associate them with this bedwetting, like Oyibo go talk them, or in the doctor them say na enuresis. All this one, if them put them together, they fit just go waka kurukere go cause this bedwetting. Then pinworm infection. This one na infection where pinworm they cause. And how this one, how you go take no say you get this one na intense itching. As in that place down there, sweetie, no, they call them sweetie. That place could just they scratch you anyhow. If they get this kind of thing, if it make them the piss for bed, even when they don't want to do that kind of thing. Then if then too they drink water, you know some children, no. If you say give me, I want water, then they chop, they never chop 2 spoons, they'll quick drink water. If your picking be like that, you not get as it won't be. If they too they drink plenty water, or what they call them excessive fluid intake, they feel go they piss anyhow. Then on top all this one, you know say this bedwetting thing, if they run for inside family, if your papa they piss for bed or your mama they piss for bed, you safe. When I say piss for bed, that now you don't pass the time where you supposed to stop. So and you see they do them if it they happen. So is it possible? If you they shout for your pikin, check yourself. You self, it's possible say you when you small, you they do that one. And the funny thing be say now when their parents stop. For example, if the parents stop by 7 years, that pikin too, you go notice say now about that kind 7 years into go stop the matter. So if it they genetic, well, wetin be this bedwetting symptoms then? Most people where they wet their bed, most of the time now only for night. But they know they get other symptoms like that apart from that wetting the bed in the night. But for some people, especially when a psychological thing they cause them, or some problems with the nervous system or kidneys, they feel they get some other symptoms. So therefore, they need to alert your healthcare provider, your doctor, so make them check you in case the thing where you experience it pass bedwetting. Well, now here I go bar break on top the matter. I will still give you some of the major symptoms where they follow, especially secondary bedwetting tomorrow. So make you not just try miss am. My name is still Dr. Adora, and this is your Health Corner on top Good Morning Naija show. I will see you tomorrow.